Hey, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. Today, I wanted to give a honest review on the platform called Udimi, right? You might be doing some research and you probably came to YouTube watching some videos and wanting more information on this platform called Udemy. So that's what I'll be covering on this video. And make sure you stay all throughout this video because at the end, I'll be giving you some of the awesome thing that might help you to get the most out of Udemy, right? So with that out of the way, let me share with you my screen so I can go straight to Udemy and we can dive deep into Udemy, right? And hopefully you can actually see my screen. Right, so this is the platform of Udemy, right? You can actually sign up to this platform, and if you want to get a $5 discount if you don't have an account, there's going to be a link, first link in the description. You can actually click that and go to Udemy and create a free account, right? By the way, Udemy is a platform where people actually go to buy clicks, right? Clicks means they email vendors in here, and they have a lot of people on the email list, right? So, and you might have some sort of offers that you're promoting, some affiliate offers that you have out there, right? And you probably wanting to get more clicks, right? So that's what Udemy is all about. There are like a lot of vendors in here selling clicks and sending clicks to your offers, sending clicks to your website, so that way you can have more and more people, what we call eyeballs, right? So once you sign up to this platform, what normally people do is they go to buy solos. Okay, so this is a very popular way where people actually go and buy solo ads, right? And something you have to realize that when people go here, what they do is they just jump and they start buying clicks, right? That is a wrong way. You don't want to do that, because that way you're gonna get crappy vendors, right? Sorry my language, but that's what you actually get. You're gonna be buying clicks after clicks, and not gonna get much results. You want to get buyers clicks, okay? So you want to go to visitors. This isn't that important. You can leave as it is, but I like to have 400 visitors. Rating, I want to looking for high ratings, so you can go 200 plus ratings. Got sales. I always click on the vendors that have actually got sales, okay? Because if you're getting from someone who hasn't got sales, you're gonna be throwing your money down the toilet, okay? Simple as that. Max price, we're looking at about you can leave it as $2. That's totally fine. Repeat orders, okay? So this is very important. People that have actually got clicks from a particular vendor, you want those people to come back and getting more from that vendor, right? And I like to normally leave at 15%, okay? You can go as, high as 50%, but I like to remain within 15% to 20%. So 15% last seen. Okay, so I'd say anytime. The niche, normally I like to choose marketing because I'm into BizOp niche, make money in online niche. So I'll leave as or all niche for now, because most of the vendors in here, they sell some health products. They have some people on their list on health and also make money online mostly. So I like to leave all niche in here. um, Top tier countries is a must, okay? Sales, so you can actually sort by whatever. I like to leave as sales. So now here's a very important thing. I like to go to a vendor where I see they have got a lot of sales, okay? So you see this number, 90%, 85%, 81%. Okay, this is a proof that this actually works for that particular vendor, and they have buyers on their list. Very important thing to note in here, I'm saying buyers list, okay? So you're gonna go down, and I like to find people who have actually got buyers, okay? So I'll just press control and I'll click on these vendors. Okay, now I'll tell you a cool hack, which you can actually use every time that you go and buy some clicks. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this video, watch it all the way. Okay, so you can see Khalid. Okay, so you can actually see the amount of clicks, but here's a very important thing that you have to do is go here and see if they have actually got sales. Okay, very, very important, because you don't want to go and get from someone who hasn't even got any sales. Okay, getting sales is important. So within very short amount of time, I'd like to have someone actually got clicks from them and they've actually got sales. Okay, so got sales, got sales, got sales. I like to have at least 5 recent sales, got sales, got sales, and from different people. So if one person is getting all the sales, that means those persons offers are actually working with this vendor. Okay, but I like to have sales from different people. 1, 2, 3. Okay, which is good. 4, 5, 6. So this vendors list is actually got a lot of buyers. You can see, so recent sale, which is over 5, which is really good. So I'll actually go and buy from him. So another cool hack I wanted to teach you is when you're actually going and buying clicks from the vendor, what you can do is go to solo deals. Okay, so see, just an example, we open up Thomas Freeman, right? So his click is 79 cents in here, right? Yeah. So I always like to have top tier one. I'll click on that. So it became 88 cents for, I like to have at least, just to test purpose, I like to have at least 200 clicks, very, very important, 200 clicks. And $171, right? So, but if I go to that solo deal that I was showing you, let's see now. Okay, this is from, I'm picking from solo deals. So top tier one, now you'll see the difference. Okay, so you're gonna see the difference of price. Okay, I always like to get from solo deals. So you can see 107, whereas this one was 171, so you can save a lot of money if you go to solo deals, and buy clicks from these people. And that way you can have more sales coming in, because now you have actually got buyers list, getting clicks from vendors that are buyers, that have actually got buyers in their list, and now you actually getting the best solo deals from them. So that's the process that I've actually used to be able to have the most amount of quality email traffic coming into my funnel, my ecosystem, which is awesome. It's a great place to for especially a complete beginner to buy clicks from. It's awesome place, but you have to realize, okay, these vendors are actually selling clicks. They cannot guarantee your sales. So sales and everything, you have to work it out. So you have to send quality emails to your subscribers. You have to have a good funnel where people can you can have the most high opt-in rate. Very, very important, because if you have a low opt-in rate, you're gonna be losing money. You want to capture the most quality leads and have the most optimized funnel. If you don't have the optimized funnel, you're gonna be wasting, like I said, wasting a lot of money on buying clicks and clicks. So if you actually buy 200 clicks, maybe 10 people will actually come in your funnel. So that's the thing that I wanted to tell you about, and you stayed all the way throughout this video. So what I can also do, I can review your funnel and give you options like how you can actually increase your opt-in rate. So that way, when you actually go and buy clicks, you can have the best opt-in rate. I can also give you like high converting email swipes, which is going to be getting you more sales. So there's going to be another link in the description. You can actually click it and connect to me via Facebook. Okay, so that way I can actually review your funnel and give you my honest review, because I've been using Udemy for a very long time, and I've been getting a high opt-in rate. And also with that, every time I buy traffic, I get sales, because I know how to work these leads out. It's not just about throwing money on Udemy and thinking something will stick, because you won't. Okay, so hopefully you got some value in this video. Leave in the comment section below if you have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions, and I'll talk to you in the next time. All the resources that I actually mentioned in this video will be in the description section below. Thank you so much, and you have an awesome and a wonderful day. Bye.